Yes, good morning, students. So, the same topic which we were discussing there in the earlier class, we have discussed regarding uh, present tense, we have discussed regarding
Good
past.
morning, sir.
Okay, we have discussed regarding simple, present, we have discussed present continuous, we have discussed present perfect and present perfect continuous. We have discussed simple past, we have discussed past continuous, we have discussed past perfect and past perfect continuous. Okay, so first of all, let me give you some examples to do, and then, yeah, let me give some examples, then we will proceed. Okay, so yeah, you write that. So you have to supply the correct form of the verb. First of all, you note down the exercise, then all together, when you will be asked at that time, you have to tell the answers. Okay, so you write it. That fellow come there before. Come there. You write it. Then we know each other for the past 3 years. Yeah. So, yes, students, written all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, what will come there in the first one? The train
Arrived.
arrived just now. It is given just
Was
now.
arrived.
So, this is which tense? Yes. Provide your response.
Past continuous.
Yeah. So, what?
Was arrived.
Your voice is not coming, Aditya.
Was arrived.
Anusha arrived. The train. Okay. It will come. Just arrived. Okay. Present. Perfect. If something has completed just now. If something has completed just now. Okay. So if something has completed just now, that will come in present perfect. So present perfect has plus third form of the verb, or have plus third form of the verb. Have plus third form of the verb will come if the subject is plural. If the subject is singular, what will come? As plus third form of the verb. So the train just now. So the train has arrived. What will come? The train has arrived just now. Is it clear to you? It is the just completed task. So the train has just arrived. The train has just
Sir,
arrived. Is
next
it
one
clear
is
to you?
seed.
Your voice is not coming. You can write your comment. The train has just arrived. Yes, Shreyas Pakhare. Then the next one, you that fellow somewhere before. Okay. So you that fellow somewhere before. It will become yes, Ansuman. You have seen. You have seen. Okay, that fellow somewhere before. Okay, so something that happened in the past and is having its impact there in present. Then we bracket know each other for the past 3 years. For the past 3 years. So what will come? We have, yes, we have known Ansuman. We have known. Okay, we have known. Then the next it is we a new phrase recently. Recently. Okay, so we have bought. We have bought. We have bought. Okay, so recently, just all these adverbs will direct you to present perfect. The task that has been completed just there in the just before some time. Okay, then you write the next examples. So you can notice since, the use of since, use of for. Okay, so that will direct you there in which tense. Then
Sir, your voice is not coming.
yeah, am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So yeah, this you have done. 8 blend. The word from rain is given since 4 o'clock. So it is raining since 4 o'clock. Okay, 4 o'clock particular time is given. Then they live in Jaipur since 1947. Why since 1947? Because a particular time is given. Yes, Komal, correct. They are living. They are living in Jaipur since 1947. Then she wait for me for 2 hours. For 2 hours. 2 hours, that is a spell of time. Okay, so what it will come? She is waiting. See, it will come, children. Okay, here you have done wrong. It is this one. Children, it will come. This one. This one will come. It rains since 4 o'clock. Since is there. So it has been raining. It has been raining. Yeah. It has been raining. It has been raining. To correct it, then they in Jaipur since. So they have been living. Okay, they have been living. And for me for 2 hours. Okay, so she has been. She has been. Okay, she has been. So if it is singular, then has been. If it is plural, then have been. You do it. Yeah. Make it correct. Since and for is there, so it means that it is that of present perfect continuous. Okay. So I hope all of you have done it. Shall we proceed? All of you have noted it down. Yes, students. Is there anyone who has not? Is there anyone who has not noted it? Who has not written it? Is there anyone? No one. Okay. So, yeah, then write the next one. Now, you write the next one. I finish the work 10 minutes. Yeah. Then write the second one. We arrive here up and hour ago. Then you London last year. Yeah, you do it and provide your response unmuting yourself. You can use your mic for providing your response. So I the work 10 minutes ago. That you have to focus. That is directing you there in which tense? I the work 10 minutes ago. So what will come? Yes, I finished. I finished the work. It is about the past tense. So it will come, I finished the work 10 minutes ago. Then we blank in bracket, arrive is given here half an hour ago. So it will come, what will come? We arrived. Yes, we arrived. Yeah, all of you write it. We arrived here half an hour ago. Then you blank space is given. In bracket, go is given to London last year. So we went to London last year. Okay. So likewise, children, you have to do. Let me give you some more examples. Then it, when, when we, when we reached the cinema hall, then she played while I was studying, then I go to inform you, but I so what will come in these cases? Yes, it when we reach the cinema hall. What is given? It blank when we reached the cinema hall. So what will come in this, students? Yes, what will come? It was raining. Yes, correct. It was raining when we reached the cinema hall. It is past continuous. Past continuous, students. Then she play while I was studying. While I was studying. Okay. So she, yeah, what will come here? It is indicating the tense is that of past continuous. Yeah, so provide your response for the next one. She play. Yeah, she was playing. Okay, and if it would have been plural, then, for example, if it would have been given they instead of she, then it will become they were playing. They were playing. Okay, so how was and were is used. Okay, with plural verb will be used, with singular was will be used, ing form. Then next, I blank in brackets, go is given to inform you, but I forgot. So I was going to inform, but I forgot. Okay, so you write it, then we will proceed for the next one. Yes, students, you write it. Yeah, all of you write it there in a notebook. Complete it, then we will move for the next one. Yes, completed all of you. Is there any student who has not completed?
No, sir.
Is there anyone who has not completed? Okay, so you do it. Yeah, right. The rain blank in bracket the verb is given stopped when she arrived. Next you write no sooner I reached school than the bell rang. Third you write hardly they begin when the teacher the classroom. Yeah, you do it. Yes, students, the rain blank in bracket stop is given when she arrived. Yeah. So what will come in first? The rain. Here it is arrived. Okay. So the rain had stopped when she arrived. Something is taking place before the other thing there in the past. Okay. Two actions are taking place. One is taking place before, and the action that is taking place before, for that what you have to use? Past perfect. So it will become the rain had stopped when she arrived. The rain had stopped. The rain had stopped when she arrived. The rain had stopped. The rain had stopped when she arrived. Okay. Has will not come because she arrived is okay. Already it is indicating that it is of the past. Okay. So the rain had stopped when she arrived. And no sooner I reached school then the bell rang. So here it is rang. Second form, so there it will come. No sooner had I reached school, then the bell rang. Yes. Two actions are taking place. One action is taking place earlier. So for that, had plus third form of the verb. You do it. Okay, students? That we discussed therein the past perfect as you ensure that it is second form of the verb, that is indicating you it is about the past. Then you write the next one hardly they then blank begin quarreling when the teacher came into the classroom. The teacher came into the classroom. So what will come hardly? The teacher came into the classroom. So it will become hardly. Yes, provide your response. Hardly had. Okay, here as it is given came. Okay, so there it will come hardly had they began quarreling when the teacher came into the class. Hardly had they began quarreling when the teacher had came in the class. Is it clear to you, children? So that we discussed there in the past perfect. What is past perfect? Past perfect is used to refer something that happened before a certain time in the past. That happened before a certain time in the past. The rain had stopped when she arrived. Happened before. The rain had stopped when she arrived. Okay. No sooner had I reached school than the bell rang. Happened something. It happened before something in the past. Hardly they begin quarreling. So hardly had they begin quarreling when the teacher came into the classroom. Is it clear to you? So likewise, children, you have to do. Okay. So something is taking place before the other thing there in the past. So for it, what will be used? Had plus third form of the verb. Had plus third form of the verb. I hope you have completed it. Then do the next thing. Yes. Write the next one. He for 6 hours when they found him. So what is given? He blank in the bracket, walk is given for 6 hours when they found. When they found, okay, that you should use to identify the tense. The next, they survey for 6 years before they they survey before 6 years. They blank space is given, then in bracket survey the verb is there for 6 years before they struck God. Okay, so what will come? Yes, identify the tense. They for 6 hours when they found him. So they had see, one you have to focus on for and since. For and since. Okay, and the other is found is given. So what it is? It is past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous, Ansuman. And in past perfect continuous, what will come? Had been plus ing. Okay, in present perfect continuous, what will come? Has or have been continuous. In present perfect continuous, has or have been ing will come. But in past, had been plus ing. Okay, so one you can, when you will focus on for 6 years for, okay, so with this you will be able to identify that it is that of continuous. Then when you will focus on the verb form, that is of past, so you can very easily predict that it is past perfect continuous. So it will become he had been walking. He had been walking. Harshita, what it will be? He had been walking. Okay. Anusha, he had been walking for. And then the next is they had been surveying. They had been surveying. They had been surveying for 6 years. They had been surveying for 6 years before they struck gold. Okay. So you focus on the given verb forms. You focus on the given indicators. Some more exercise I will give you there in the Google Classroom. Okay, students. So you identify it, you make more practice and do it correctly. Is it clear to you? Yes,
Okay, sir.
students. They had been. Yes. So likewise, you have to identify the tenses where simple present is used, where present continuous is used, where present perfect is used, where present perfect continuous is used. Okay. Perfect continuous, for or since, if it will be given, then you can identify it. Then with the verb form, you identify whether if it is of present or it is of past. Okay. If it is continuous, present continuous or past continuous, you identify with the help of the verbs given, indicators given. Okay, so children, the next is regarding future continuous. So future continuous, you write where it is used. Future continuous is used to express an action going on at some point in future. It is used to express an action that is going on at some particular point there in future. It is used to describe the future action. So you write it. Yeah, you write it. The future, simple future tense is used for an action, for an action that has still, for an action that has still, to take place, take place. Okay, it is used for what? It is used. Simple future tense is used for an action that has still to take place, that is to still take place. Example, you write, I shall see him tomorrow. Then they will play a match in the evening. Yeah, you do it. So this is simple future tense is used for an action that has still to take place. Okay, which is going to take place in future. Okay, so it says, I shall see him tomorrow. I shall. It is to take place in the time to come. So future tense has been used. They will play a match in the evening. So here you can say that the event is to take place. So in these situations, simple future is used. Okay, then you write the next one, the future continuous. Future continuous tense. It is used to express an action going on at some point of time, in future. You write the example, I shall be reading the paper Then, second, they will be playing the match at that time. Okay, so it indicates the continuity. It indicates the continuity of an action there in future. So future continuous tense, it is used to express an action going on at some point of time in future. For example, I shall be reading the paper then. At that time, I will be reading a paper. So will be reading. Will be ing form of the verb will come here. They will be playing a match at that time. Will be. So what comes in this tense? Will be plus ing form of the verb. Okay. Shall be, will be, likewise. So I hope you have done it. Yes, students. Then likewise, the next it is regarding future perfect tense. Future perfect tense. Okay, some time is there. So the future perfect is used to indicate the completion of an action by a certain time in future. It indicates what? The completion of something by a certain time in the past. For example, I shall have finished my homework by evening. I shall have finished my homework by evening. So it is indicating that in future by this time certain work will be completed. Then she will have cleaned the room before you reach. She will have cleaned. Okay, so likewise it is used there in the future perfect tense. Okay, so the exercises related to these tenses I will give you there in the WhatsApp group. Then the last one, children, it is regarding the future perfect continuous. The future perfect continuous. So the future perfect continuous is used when an action is to continue up to some time there in the future, is to continue till some point of time there in future. Okay, for example, it emphasizes the continuity of an action there in the future. Okay, the time is about to come. I hope you have understood it. By 6 o'clock, I will have been sitting here for 10 hours. By 6 o'clock, I will have been sitting here for 10 hours. Will have been. So what will come? Will have been. Okay, and for and since, the use of for and since. So further we will discuss this in the next class. Okay, and then regarding your workbook also we will discuss there in the next class. So you complete it, children. I hope all of you have written it.
Done,
You have
sir.
written or not? Yes, students, all of you have completed or not?
Yes, sir, complete.
Yeah, complete it.
Yes, sir.
So thank you. This class comes to an end here.